Hi everyone, I'm Jess and we only have 3 days left in our Sallie Tomato Co box. I feel like this part always goes by so fast as the final days are unwrapped. So let's see what today's special item is. Day 12. Whether it's on a cruise, to the beach, or downtown, this project will set a course for your own unique style. We have the brand new Weave It To Me pattern. Today's pattern is really special because you're the first to have this pattern as part of the box before it releases on our website or to stores. And this is a pattern unlike any other design that we've published. The Weave It To Me clutch pattern is sure to be a standout addition to your bag pattern collection. This pattern was designed by Emily Van Hoff as a Sallie Tomato collaboration. Emily is a Chicago-based artist and designer who combines her graphic design background with detailed craftsmanship. Her pattern reflects these qualities in every aspect, from fabric selection to piecing and quilting, and throughout the project construction. I'd like to give a big shout out and sincere thank you to Emily for being part of this year's box. We always love getting the opportunity to collaborate with other designers, and I'm sure Emily's pattern will inspire the artist in you. If you'd like to make this project right away, it would pair perfectly with some of the hardware and light faux leather from the earlier unboxing days. We'd truly love to see your creations. We encourage you to share and show off your completed projects using the hashtag Sallie Tomato and hashtag Sallie Tomato Co on social media so we can admire your style and creativity. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and we hope you subscribe so you won't miss out on any future videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you'll stick around for the final 2 days of this unboxing series. Tomorrow, we have an extra special new item to share with you, which we're really looking forward to. Happy sewing, friends!